Looking for a new construction, luxury, golf and country club community in Southwest Florida without the high price tag? Well, keep watching to learn more about Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club in Punta Gorda, Florida. We're Josh and Liz from That Florida Life, helping you live that Florida lifestyle you've been dreaming about. From fun things to do, local life, and real estate. So don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions or just want to chat more about what you're looking for in your Florida dream home. Located between Fort Myers and Sarasota, and just south of the charming and historic town of Punta Gorda, Heritage Landing is a brand new luxury community that enjoys a serene environment that's still close to major cities. This gated, resort-style community is nestled among nature and feels worlds away from the hustle and bustle. Yet, you have everything you could want from a complete golf and country club community that makes you feel like you are on vacation every day. From the 18-hole golf course, restaurants, fitness center, multiple swimming pools, event director, and activity calendar, as well as an on-site spa complete with massages. Heritage Landing is a Lennar community, offering a wide variety of home options to suit a variety of styles and budgets. Choose from multiple styles of condos, coach homes, single-family homes, manor homes, and large estate-style homes. This part of Southwest Florida is perfect for nature lovers, vacationers, and seasonal residents. The area is known for its laid-back, relaxed lifestyle and is a haven for water sports activities such as boating and fishing along the many waterways. Residents at Heritage Landing enjoy the best in tranquil living without sacrificing amenities or lifestyle. Heritage Landing is a full-scale golf and country club. Residents are automatically members of the social club as a part of their HOA dues, while golf membership is bundled with the purchase of specific properties in the community. Residents can enjoy the large Heritage Landing amenities area, including a clubhouse, resort-style pools, restaurants and tiki bar, plenty of pickleball and tennis courts, with a pro shop, fitness center, aerobic studio, sauna, beauty salon, and spa with massages. This community also includes miles of beautiful trails and a full-time lifestyle director on site who plans regular activities and events. The Heritage Landing Golf Course is an 18-hole course designed by Gordon Lewis. The course winds its way through a natural setting that's typical in Southwest Florida, including lakes and preserves. There's a great practice facility and pro shop. Some of the homes sit along the golf course, however, many of the holes offer unobstructed, beautiful views of the surrounding nature and plenty of wildlife. Because golf memberships are bundled with select homes, this means that there are only a limited number of total golf memberships available in the community. You may be able to purchase a home that comes with golf membership, while other homes will not include golf. And currently during the off-season, which here is from May through December, the golf course becomes semi-private, and you may be able to pay to play even if you are not a member. We've helped multiple families from all across the country find their new home in Heritage Landing. There are 6 different types of homes here to choose from, with over 20 floor plans ranging from homes to coach homes and multiple styles of condos, some of which have incredible views of sunsets directly over nature preserves. Homes here range in size from a little over 1,100 square feet to over 3,000 square feet. And they have anywhere from 2 to 5 bedrooms, 2 to 4 bathrooms, and 1, 2, and even 3-car garage options. For more details on these floor plans, including availability and pricing, feel free to reach out to us. You can also visit our Heritage Landing webpage on our website for more details, as well as exploring all of our YouTube videos, which also include model tours for different homes in Heritage Landing. Currently, most of the opportunities in Heritage Landing are for new construction homes. However, there are some resale homes available here since residents are actively living in the community already. Many of the new construction homes here are what they call quick move-in or inventory homes. This means that they are already under construction, and the completion time could vary depending on the stage of the process. Keep in mind that the current inventory, pricing, options, and incentives are always changing. We've helped a number of families into Heritage Landing, so if you're interested in a home here or just want a tour of the community, definitely reach out to us. Josh Wilson on our team is one of the top real estate agents here, and he can help you by leveraging his knowledge of the area and all of these communities, as well as his existing relationships with these communities and their staff. We're here to help you during the entire process, from finding the right home to negotiating the deal, and once the building process begins, we'll be there to represent you. For more information, click on the link below in the description to visit our Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club page on our website. And don't forget to check out all of our Heritage Landing model tours. You can find them on our YouTube channel or on our website. This is a great way to experience their most popular floor plans as if you're walking through them yourself. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to leave them in the comments below or give us a call, shoot us a text, or an email. We're here and always happy to help. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.